Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am gonna tell you about Huawei Mate 14. In this video I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Huawei Mate 14 and coming price of Huawei Mate 14 and also expected price of Huawei Mate 14 and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get started the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Huawei Mate 40. Here we have built-in quantity of OS Android 10 OS UI EMUI 11 dimension 158.6 into 72.5.8.1 mm, weight 188 gram, SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby nano SIM, color mystic silver, white, black, green, yellow. Here we have in frequency 2G band, SIM 1 GSM 850/900 1800/1900, SIM 2 GSM 850/900/1800/1900, 3G band HSDP 800/850/900/1700/1900/2100. This variant also support 4G band and 5G band. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core 1 into 3.13 GHz Cortex A77 plus 3 into 2.54 GHz Cortex A77 plus 4 into 2.05 GHz Cortex chipset Coherent 9000E 5G 5 nanometer GPU Mate G78 MP22. Here we have in display technology OLED capacitive touchscreen 16 mm color multi-touch size 6.5 inch resolution 1080 into 2376 pixel 408 ppi protection Corning Gorilla Glass unspecified version extra feature HDR10 plus 90 Hz. Here we have in memory built-in 128 by 256 GB built-in 8 GB RAM UFC 3.1 card nano memory card support up to 256 GB use share SIM slot. Here we have in camera main triple camera 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 16 megapixel and dual LED dual tune flash. Features Leica optics, fade detection, geotagging, panorama, HDR video. Brand 13 megapixel HDR panorama video. Here we have in connectivity WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11, dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth V 5.2 with A2 DPLE. GPS yes, dual band a GPS with GLONASS BDS Galileo QZSS. USB Type C 3.1 USB on the go. NFC yes, infrared yes, data GPRS H3G 4G LTE 5G capable. Here we have in features sensor, accelerometer, color spectrum, compass, fingerprint, under display optical, gyro proximity, audio 3.5 mm audio jack, MP3/E AAC, black player, speakerphone, browser HTML5, messaging SMS, branded view, MMS, email, push mail, IM. Games, building plus downloadable, torch, yes, no Google Play service, glass front, glass back, aluminium frame, document viewer, photo by video editor. Here we have in battery capacity, LiPo non-movable, 4200 mAh, fast charging 40 watt. Here we have in price 1,72,999. This is Pakistan expected price. So I hope you can like this video. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.